today, but the Totally Awesome Dude is gonna scrap a AM/FM radio for copper and the cord and other stuff. So I've already taken the screws out in the back. And this is what you get on the inside. Now I'm going to take the antenna off, which is sometimes brass. And here's the circuit board. It's a real good circuit board. If you're interested in taking this off, go ahead. There's a little bit of number 2 copper in it. And here is a transformer. You can take these apart for a little bit of nice ball of copper. So there's your transformer. You can sell it for 20 cents a pound at your local scrapyard. Here's the bottom of your circuit board. There's some stuff on it. There's a piece of brass right here. If you're interested in getting that. Now let's take a look at this speaker. There's a small bit of copper inside of it. And you can pry off the magnet. Sometimes there's this glue stuff on it that you have to use a flathead screwdriver to pry off like this. Now where your copper is, it's in here wrapped. And what you do to get the magnet off, which is $1.50 a pound, you bend this back and just pry it off. It's a screwdriver. And that's about it. Like I said, take your antenna out and scrap that for brass. Cut all your wiring out, which is $1 a pound. And this little good circuit board, make sure to take this plastic off or it won't be sold as palladium grade circuit board. And don't forget about the cord. They're usually 75 cents a pound. Just how it is. You have a wire stripper, strip it. You can also pull the brass out. Yes, that is brass. If I scratch at it, you can kind of see a brass color. Okay, and that's about it. Okay.